Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with Marinemax in Houston, coming to you with a 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. This is the dual console, a little bit more family oriented Boston Whaler fishing boat that you'd expect the quality out of Boston Whaler for a fishing boat, but you get all that family space too. We're at the open bow in this boat, and you can see we've optioned it with the full cushion package, so you've got a full place to lay down. There's also an access port here for a large storage compartment I'll show you in just a second. Of course, the boat's equipped with a stainless steel windlass that's operated from the front or at the helm. And we've actually optioned it with the bow sunshade. You can see the two poles. There's canvas that comes all the way up to this hardtop to cover the bow and give people extra shade from the sun. As we're moving back, there's a walk-through wind block that'll provide full wind blockage in the cockpit when the windshield is closed. And right behind that is that storage compartment I was talking to you about, which is where the table is stored. And there's some space for some 5-gallon buckets, some safety equipment, etc. Another small access port right here with some storage to the back of the helm, and a ski locker here in the floor, which has got plenty of space for water sports toys if you wanted to keep them on the boat. Moving to the port side, you've got an oversized head compartment with a full vacuum flush head. Obviously you can see we keep the covers and the sunshade in there as well, but there is a freshwater sink to rinse down in as well. One of the really unique features about the Vantage series is this convertible rear lounger that can be put in multiple different positions for forward facing or completely rear facing lounging, to create a full sun lounge here, as well as storage on the front side of it. And we've got a Livewell with a recirculating bait well pump built in underneath of the seat here. So still fishable, still family friendly. Moving towards the helm, there's some other great features that come on this boat. You've got a really large area for a display, plenty of electronics, VHF radio, fish finder, GPS, tilt steering, and a fusion head unit, which will come standard with Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary. The boat's equipped with JL audio speakers, so really a great sound system. Your Mercury Vision is here for all your engine diagnostics, which come from your twin digital throttles that are controlling twin 250 horsepower Mercuries on this boat. Really get that extra maneuverability out of two motors and that reliability for potentially taking this boat offshore. You've got drop-down armrests on the captain's chair and a flip-up bolster. And then you move into kind of a bait prep summer kitchen area, where you've got some extra storage up here. You've got a freshwater sink, and you've got your cooler down low that you could use as a fish box or your family cooler, etc. And then there's also this large cockpit area that you can use for fishing. You've got all your rod holders on the hard top and down here, as well as on the back of the boat. Another freshwater rinse down, and this large forward-facing seat that comes down for 2 additional people to sit forward-facing when you're out underway. We've enjoyed showing you a quick walk around on this 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. Come see us here at Marinemax in Houston today. My name's Steven Smith.